We all have situations in our life where we need help from other people, and yet most of us, including me, find it difficult to ask for help. We find it much easier to give to people, to support them, to take care of them when they need, but when it comes to us asking for help, something comes in the way. So the question is that why don't we ask for help? And there are two reasons why we don't do that. Number one is that we are afraid of being judged. We are afraid of being seen as weak. We don't feel comfortable with showing our vulnerability. Chances are that we may have been raised in an environment where it's important to be independent, where it's important to be strong. So we may have never learned while we were growing up how to ask for help when needed. The second reason why we don't ask for help is because there is a fear of rejection. There is a fear of not receiving help the way we would like to receive it. Asking for help is a huge sign of strength. The key to this is three. Number one is to know when to ask for help, to know that when is it beyond your control, and to know that it's absolutely okay to ask for it. Second is to know whom to ask for help, to know who would be the right and the most appropriate resource at that point to be able to offer you the kind of support that you need. And number three is to know that there is always a balance between giving and receiving. Asking for help is the strongest thing that you would ever do, because asking for help at the right time is an act of extreme self-care and self-love. And we all need to be able to do it as and when needed.